Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be breaking down the Firebase's pricing plans. So it will help you understand which plan is best for your project. But before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore Firebase's pricing and you can get started with it today. So first we need to understand Firebase pricing plans. So it will give you two main pricing options. The first is the Spark plan, which is free and it is great for small projects and beginners. It includes free hosting, authentication, and database access with some limitations. You will also get Google Analytics integration with it, and it is ideal for the developers who are testing applications or working on the personal projects. Now, the second one is the Blaze plan. So it is designed for the scaling applications. It offers you pay for what you use and no fixed pricing is available for it. The higher limits on the Firestore authentication and cloud functions you are going to get, and it is also give you cloud hosting and AI integration for the advanced app development. Now, which plan should you choose? So as I said earlier, the Spark plan is perfect for the hobby projects, startups, and learning Firebase. And the second one, that is the Blaze plan, is best for growing your applications, need the scalability and flexibility. So if you are just starting out, the Spark plan is a great free option. But if your application is growing and you need better performance and scalability, the Blaze plan is way to go. If you want to explore Firebase's pricing and the platform in general, you can just check out the link in the description. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.